Good morning. I am Dr. Tanoya Das going to discuss about the carbohydrate. My topic will be basic definition, why we study carbohydrate and function. So regarding why we study carbohydrate, we can say that the living systems are made up of cells and biomolecules like carbohydrate, protein, fats, nucleic acid forms the basic structural element of a cell. As we all know that the carbohydrates are present in plant and animal systems, and during photosynthesis plant converts atmospheric carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate, which is stored in various parts of the plants as a starch or sucrose, and this constitutes our food also. So whenever we take foods, after oxidation in our body, food produces energy. So basic main function of the carbohydrate is to provide energy, and around 60% of total calorie in our diet comes from carbohydrate. So we can easily understand the importance of carbohydrate in our daily life. Apart from this biological role or biological functions of carbohydrate, carbohydrate can be used in commercial application also and industrial application also, just like a fermentation technology. Besides this, carbohydrate based nanoparticles, nanogels are used in drug delivery, biomedical, biosensor and tissue engineering. And apart from these things, and carbohydrate is closely associated with disease also. Even dysregulation of carbohydrate metabolism is involved in cancer also. So we can easily understand what is the importance of studying carbohydrate. So it is very essential to have the basic knowledge of carbohydrate regarding structure, function, diversity for making a new molecules with the help of biotechnology, polymer science and nanotechnology. And regarding the definition of carbohydrate, if we look at the structure of glucose and fructose, we can easily find that glucose contains polyhydroxyl group along with aldehyde, and fructose contain keto group and others and polyhydroxyl group. So if we make a definition of carbohydrate, it is easily understood that the carbohydrate are that molecules which have polyhydroxyl aldehyde or keto group, and the substance which yields this product after hydrolysis. This is the structure of hydrolysis of cellulose by cellulose enzymes, and it produces glucose. As we all know that the glucose is the carbohydrate. So you can say that the cellulose is also carbohydrate. Next part is what is the basic function of carbohydrate. As I have already told you, the basic mechanism, basic function of carbohydrate is to provide energy. But if we look at in details, we can easily understand what is the basic role of carbohydrate. But what is the basic mechanism of carbohydrate for providing energy? We know that our diet contains carbohydrate rich meals, just like milk, vegetables, fruits and cereal grains also. So during digestion, these polysaccharides and disaccharides are getting hydrolyzed by several enzymes to form the monomeric unit, that is the glucose, fructose, galactose, etc. So this glucose, galactose, fructose can then move to glycolysis, which takes place in cytosol in our cell. And after that, after glycolysis, we can have pyruvate and electron carrier, just like NADH and FADH2. Then this pyruvate moves to mitochondria and again produces electron carrier NADH and FADH2. And finally, this electron carrier moves to oxidative phosphorylation and produces ATP from ADP and PI. So, this is the basic mechanism by which carbohydrates are oxidized in our body to provide energy, that is the ATP, which is known as energy currency of the cell. Beside this function, another function is to provide structural element of cell. This is the structure of cell wall of plant cell wall, bacterial cell wall and fungal cell wall. Cellulose, which is present in plant cell wall, provides the structural integrity, structural strength of plant, and peptidoglycan and chitin, which are present in bacteria and fungal cell wall respectively, also provide the structural role. So, this is the today's class, and next class I will discuss about the classification and isomer of carbohydrate. Thank you.